Hi. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a link share for a document. So this is a very useful feature if you want to send someone a link to a document which has an expiry time on it. So you only want them to have access, and it's view-only access, to that information for a specified period, after which the link will no longer work and they will have no way of viewing that document. So what you want to do is highlight the document in question. And if you head up to our ribbons at the top, we want to go to Input and Output. Here I have the option to create link share. This will create a pop-up box which tells you the file name. You can enter a password, and then you can select when you want the link to expire. So we've got options for 1 hour, 4 hours, 1 day or 1 week. I'll select 1 hour and press OK. So this information box tells us that the link share has been copied to our clipboard. I'm going to share this via email, so I'll pop over to my emails. I'll create one to myself. And send that. There we go. That's that email that's come in. And it's got a link for me to click. So when I click this, it will open an internet web browser. It's asking me for the password. Let me type that in and press OK. And that is how someone will be able to view the document. So they can't edit it, they can only have a look, they can zoom in and out, they can rotate it, but they can't fundamentally edit it in any way. And after an hour, that link will no longer work and the document will no longer be viewable. If you have any queries, please don't hesitate to contact us on support@filestreamsystems.co.uk.